Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, hard disk drive cover, hard disk drive assembly, service door, keyboard, base enclosure bracket, power connector cable, fan, and system board. Removal: remove the tape that secures the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable to the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the fingerprint reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the fingerprint reader board and place it into a static-dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the fingerprint reader board from the static-dissipative bag. Insert the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable into the fingerprint reader board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Replace the tape that secures the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable to the system board.